So here are 5 wireless gaming headsets, all under 1,500, and we test them all. So first off on our list, we've got the Catz Pilot Pro. Like the others on this list, this one is a dual wireless, which means basically it takes both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz with the dongle, of course. The RGB lighting is fully customizable and the headset has a modern premium feel. The mic is detachable and this comes with the wind filter, making it ideal for noisy environments. And this is the sound test for the Catz headset. So testing 1, 2, 3. Maybe I need a different phrase on how I test these sounds. And next up, we've got the SteelSeries Arctis 1 wireless headset. So this one uses the same low latency 2.4 GHz technology as all the other high-end models, but to back it up, it's compatible with Switch, Android, and even consoles. You get the same audio drivers found in the more premium Arctis 7, which means great clarity, detailed positional audio, and balanced sound straight out of the box. And this is the sound test for the SteelSeries headset. I don't know if you can tell, this is probably one of my favorite headsets. Now we come up to the Marvo Monka Echo Tri-Mode wireless headset. This one comes with 40mm neodymium drivers, and I have no idea if neodymium is amongst the 7 rare earth metals, but I do know this packs a punch for just under 1,000 rand. This is a visually striking headset with a modern design in RGB lighting. The RGB lighting is subtle but stylish, and the ear cups are soft and breathable for extended sessions. It also includes a detachable mic with a flip-up mute design. It's a solid choice if you're looking for a sleek, lightweight headset with a flair and all-day comfort. And fourth on our list is what some might consider the underdog of this whole list. This is the Alpha Icon gaming headset. It comes with 50mm drivers, which is more than the ones on this list, but also it feels like it's the underdog that's trying to prove something. And the padded ear cups help block out ambient noises. The microphone is flexible and adjustable with clear voice capture for party chat and calls. And finally, the last one on our list is for the kids, for those aged 8 to 12. This is going to make those battle royale moments in Fortnite pour with it, with a clean sound straight from the HyperX mini gaming headset. This mini headset comes with plush memory for ear cushions and adjustable headband to make it ideal for long gaming marathons. It's a great match for kids who want the signature HyperX feel without the full-size footprint. So, here you have it, 5 amazing gaming headsets, all for under 1,500 rands, and each offering something unique, be it comfort, style, or just a serious budget bargain. But you cannot go wrong with any of these, but you let us know. All of these are available at evetech.co.za if you're interested in one.